For a question like this, just make sure you're actually reading the question and not just stopping short of the answer. They want 9x, they don't want x. For us to get x, though, is really easy, right? 2x is equal to 12. Yeah, you might be able to just think about it, but if we're doing algebra, right, we want to get x alone, so the 2 is attached to the x with multiplication. What's the way that we undo multiplication? What's its opposite? Division. So we divide by 2, that gets rid of this, and now x is alone, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So that is the value of x, but they don't want x, they want 9x. So what do? We just make a substitution. 9 times 6, and that is 54. And that is our answer. So I hope that you wouldn't make the mistake of putting 6, but I will say that if this were a multiple choice question, I guarantee you one of those answer choices would be 6. And the reason they do that is they know that sometimes you just can't override that instinct of x equals being like the answer to the question. So they're gonna add this little extra piece here at some point on your SAT. So just get used to being really careful about what they're asking for. Show your work on your page so you have a record in case you make this mistake. You can go back and you can figure it out. But you really need to see this trap coming. It will happen. So make sure you're giving them exactly what they asked for, not just stopping short because that's what you're used to answering. Give the SAT what it wants, easy 10 points.